Hello students, good afternoon everyone. Okay, so today we are discuss about software. Okay, so software is a set of computer program, set of instructions that perform a particular task, produces and associated documentation related to the effective operation of a computer system. Software directs the computer to perform input operations, process the data and output the result. It is classified into the following categories. Okay, so software is a set of computer programs. Okay, set of computer programs, set of instruction that perform a particular task, some particular task on our computer. Okay, so now discuss about system software. Okay, so system software is a set of one or more programs, okay, that are basically designed to control the operation of a computer system, control the operation of a computer system. Okay, these are general purpose program writing to assist user in the use of the computer system by performing tasks like controlling all the operations, moving data in and out of the computer, and all the other steps in executing the application program. System software can be further classified into operating system, assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Then system software. System software is a main software on our computer or any mobile devices. Okay, computer or mobile devices. So main software on our computer. Okay, of our computer. Okay, so without system software we cannot install any application software on our computer. Okay, so when you install any application software on your computer, then you must be important install your system software or system software on your computer. Okay, so system software is basically used for a some some operation control, all the operation control in our computer, and some applications program executing. Okay, some application program execute on our computer. Okay, so basically used for some system software is a operating system, assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Okay, so operating system is a master control program that runs the computer. It controls the flow of signal from the CPU to various part of the computer. Popular operating system is include MS-DOS, OS2, Windows, and Unix. Okay. So operating system is a part of the system software. Okay. So operating system part of the system software. That means all of the computer hardware controlling in operating system and managing the system application software. Okay, so some of the operating system is a MS DOS, OS, Windows, and Linux. Already you know Windows means what? Okay, so Windows version of Windows, that means I have already installed Windows 10 in my computer. Okay, so some types of operating system is MS DOS, OS2, Windows, and English. Okay, next, assembler. An assembler is a program that translates an assembly language program into machine language program. Assembler is a program that translates into assembly language program into machine language program. Okay. So assembly basically used for assembly language program convert to machine language program. Is basically used for a programming language. Assembler is basically used for a programmer. Okay, programmer making a program, then you can use it. Okay, assembler. And next, compiler some type of assembler, but different types of assembler. A compiler is a program that translates one statement of high level language program into machine language program and then runs it. Report all error of the program along with the line number. Okay, so compiler basically used for making a system software on of computer. Okay, so compiler and assembler is same type, but is some difference uh, from assembler. Okay, so compiler is a program that translates one statement of high level language program into machine language program and then runs it. Okay, it is making for application software of a computer. Okay, it records all error of the program along uh, with the line number. Okay, when you any error, when you making a software system software on this compiler, then you can show any error on program, then easily you can find it. Okay, so it reports all error of the program along with the LAN number. Okay, so next, interpreter is a program that translates one statement of a high level language program into machine code and then executed it. Okay. An interpreter is a program that translates one statement of a high-level language program into machine code and then execute it. Interpreter is a high-level language program into convert to machine code and then execute it. Okay, that means interpreter. Interpreter then that means when you download or yes, when you download any application software on your computer, then after you install this application on your computer, that called interpreter. Okay, your program is executed on operating system, it's called interpreter. Okay, when you download any application software on your computer, after download you can install on your computer system software. Okay, then it's called executed. Okay, next, application software is a computer program designed to help user in performing a certain type of work. User can also write a set of one or more programs designed to carry out operation for a specified application like payroll, package, or inventory package. Application software can be classified as general purpose application software and specified purpose application software. Okay, so application software is a set of program already we know. Okay, so some application software is a my MS Word, MS Excel, web browser. Okay, so application software, it is basically used for a computer or mobile devices. Okay, so we cannot install application software without operating system. Okay, without operating system or without system software. Okay, so general purpose application software. Purpose application software is designed to solve a wide range of tasks. Example of such software are as follow: word processing software, word processing. Why use word processing software in your computer? That means like Microsoft Word, which is used for manipulating text. Spreadsheet software, that means Excel, like Microsoft Excel, which is used for finance related tasks and data analysis. Presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint, which is used for creating slideshow presentation. Next, last, database management software like Microsoft Excel, which is used for working with records. Okay, some application software is a word processing or Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Excel. Okay, so Word is a used for manipulating text. Excel is a used for my finance related tasks and data. PowerPoint used for creating slideshow on presentation, and Microsoft Excel used for working with records. Okay, store record on our computer, then is you use it Microsoft Excel. Okay, next, specified purpose application software. Okay, specified purpose application software performs a specified task or set of tasks. Example of such software are as accounting management software, reservation system, human resource management system, payroll system, school inventory control system, and billing software, billing system. So accounting management software is basically used for business financial accounting software manage just entry financial record of a business. When you any financial record of a business, then you can use accounting management software on your computer. Okay, so it helps is controlling the total expenses and income details of the company, manage overall business transaction in a financial year, etc. Okay, so it helps us to controlling and total expenses and income details of the company, manage overall business transaction in a financial year, etc. Accounting management software. Okay, next, reservation system. Reservation system, it is used for online reservation, just like when you book any rail or airline flight booking, then you can use this reservation system software on your computer. Okay, hotel reservation, etc. Okay, hotel, flight, railway, etc. Okay, so you can use it reservation. You can use reservation system software. Okay, when you book any hotel, airline, railway, okay, then you can use reservation system software. Okay, so human resource management system. Such software has various models about employee in an organization. These include employee profile, leaves taken, payroll, loan taken, promotion bonus, training given, medical reimbursement, etc. Okay, this purpose of software is used for basically bigger company sometimes it's used for this system is company actually. Okay, so that means employee in how many employee lives today, payroll, loan ticket, promotion bonus, training event, medical reimbursements, etc. You can find it. Okay. Next, payroll system. It calculates the salary of employee and generates pay slip and salary details based on the attendance of the employee. Leave, overtime, loans, and other standard deduction like PF, TDS, etc. Okay. Why are you use payroll system? If you uh, it calculation and salary of employee, it is basically used for employee. Okay, employee and generate pay slip and salary details based on the attendance of the employee. Leave salary slip basically is used for pay slip and salary details. Okay, attendance of the employee, leave, overtime, loans, and other standard deduction like PF, TDS, etc. Okay. Next, school inventory and control system. It is help in managing the school assets, desk, chairs, fans, computer, tube light, computer tables, printer, air conditioner, etc. School inventory control system is used for basically how many computer store in your room, tube light, computer tables, printers, etc. is used for this system software. Okay, counting this, count how many desks in your room, class 5, class 6. It's like you can find it easily. This software. Okay, you can find it easily from this software. Okay. Next, billing system. It takes input in the form of item code, item name, and price and produces a bill receipt with details of each item and the total amount to be paid of the customer. So billing software is basically used for shopping mall. You know already, billing software is basically used for shopping mall. Okay. So code, it takes input in the form of item code, item name, price, produce a bill, receipt for details of each item and total amount to be paid by the customer. Okay, it is basically used for a shopping mall. You can show this. And next, utilities. A utility program is designed to perform maintenance work on a system or a system component. Example of utilities are file management program, virus scanner, cleaner programs, and encryption and decryption tools. Utilities program. Okay. Utility program is designed to perform, maintain, work and system or a system component. Example of utilities are file management program, virus scanner, cleaner program, and encryption and decryption tool. Decryption tool. Okay. So file management program should be underlined everyone example of utilities. Okay, number of file management program, virus scanner, cleaner program, and encryption and decryption tool. Okay, so now discuss about file management program. Okay, a file management program manage the files and folder on a computer system. Every time you create a document, the first step is to save it as a file. You can easily retrieve this file later. Files can be stored on an internal or external storage device, just like a hard disk, CD, device, DVD, pen drive, etc. Related files are often put together at a place called folder. You know, folder and file, it's called folder. You can show this. You can see this. It is my folder and it is my file. Okay. Okay. Folder is a basically used for a storage file on our computer. Okay. Next, folder. The file management program manage the files and folder on a computer system. Basically, file management program is used for a basically maintain the folder and file on your computer system. Okay. So every time you create a document, the first step is to save it as a file. Okay. When you any document, you can open any document just like I can open any document Word 2013. Okay. So you can type any name and save it. Okay. So after save, you can use it properties of this file. You can see this. Yes. Properties. Okay. Design properties. Design means file name. Okay. So you can see this file size is 19.2 KB, size on disk 20 KB. Okay. So it is called file management. Without file management, we cannot create any file or any folder on our computer system, or delete, move, and copy folder or file on our computer system without file management system. Okay. So listen, file management system help us to create a new file, create a new folder on our computer system, and delete, rename, and move folder or file in our computer system. Help us to. Okay. Next, to create a file management program, allow the user to create. You can see this. A file management program allow the user to create, copy, move, rename, delete, view properties of file, and find the file and folder on the storage device. Okay. So a file management program allow the user create. File management program used to allow the user to create a file, folder, delete, rename, move to other computer or other storage devices. You can with file management program. Okay. So with from file management. Okay. So file management program. So without file management program, you cannot do this. Okay. So next, it is always feasible to take regular backup of important data and program in your computer. In case you lost the file in your computer, they can be easily recovered from the backup. So file management must be important. File management basically you help us to, when you delete a file or folder from your computer, then you can backup or you can retype on your computer system this file or folder which you delete folder or file from your computer. Then you can backup this file or folder to on our computer. Okay. Easily recover from backup. Okay. So file management program it help us to mostly backup. Okay. So you can use the storage devices such as DVD and hard disk for creating backup. Nowadays online backup is used. It is store data on some other computer on the internet. Okay. Next, page number 32, virus scanner cleaner. Virus already we know, virus cleaner scanner. Antivirus program help in detecting and removing virus that infect program, memory, hard disk, etc. Some popular antivirus program are Norton antivirus, Kaspersky, Avast, Quickfield, Quickfield. The antivirus program should be updated regularly so that it can detect even the latest virus. Okay. So virus scanner and cleaner program. Virus scanner. Virus means what? Virus means what? Virus is a set of program. Okay. Set of program. That is, when you connecting internet on your computer, you can mostly use internet on your computer. Then you can also know virus will come on your computer. Okay, coming on your computer, because virus easily transferred. Virus easily transferred from actually virus easily transfer to mostly transfer to from internet. Okay, so on your computer. Okay, so you can remove. How can you remove virus on your computer? Then you can use antivirus program on your computer. Must be important. Okay, so antivirus. Why are you use antivirus on your computer? That means antivirus used for a you can your virus remove from computer. That means use you can use antivirus program. Okay, that means antivirus program help us to our virus detecting help in detecting and removing virus, help in detect and removing virus that infect program. Okay, basically virus infected program or some software. Okay, so memory, hard disk, etc. Okay, basically used for a you can see this. Okay, so local disk CEDEFG my drive. Okay, partition on my hard disk. Okay, so whenever transfer my virus transfer to here local disk C, basically transfer to virus from internet here, because it is main part of partition on our computer system, main part of partition on our computer system. Okay, so it is all programs, application software and system software installed here, this partition. Okay, local disk C. So easily affected this partition, easily affected this partition. So you can also know always install antivirus on your computer. Okay, computer system. So you can easily detect and remove virus or infected program, easily detect an infected program from the computer. Okay, and encryption and decryption tool. Okay, encryption and decryption tool. Encryption is a process that converts data into coded form in order to prevent an unauthorized user from reading it. Decryption is a process that converts coded data to readable form. You can use it. You can see this. It is my encryption file. Okay, this one. You can see this my encryption file. Okay, encryption file is a basically used for a some user is cannot be reading it. Okay, so I can read it, so you cannot read it. Okay, so see this my you cannot read it, encryption file, it is called encryption file. Okay, and some user cannot be reading it. Okay, so basically help encryption file basically help us to directly infect directly cannot be affected from virus. Okay, so it is used for basically used for encryption file on your computer. Okay, because it is saved on your computer or from on internet or on our computer. Okay, so it is directly cannot be detect directly cannot be infected from virus. Okay, and cannot be accessed unauthorized user reading it. Okay, cannot be accessed. Okay, and decryption is a process that converted coded. Now I can decrypt this file. You can write this and extract file this. You can OK this button and my file is decryption running on decryption. Just time, take a time. Okay, you can see this is my file. Okay, you can access this file. See this? Okay. Okay, next, package. A package is a computer application consists of one or more programs created to perform a particular type of work. Some example are word processing package, Microsoft Word. Package is a a package is a computer application consists of one or more programs created to perform a particular type of work. Okay, package means what? Okay, package is a computer application. Package is a computer application. Okay, and consists of a one or more programs created to perform a particular type of work. Some example of word processing package: Microsoft Word, Word Star, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel. It is a package of Microsoft Office. Okay, package of Microsoft Office. And for processing and manipulating text are spreadsheet package: Microsoft Excel, Lotus 1 2 3 etc., calculating financial etc. Okay, so I hope all of students understood. So now discuss next class. We will discuss next class computer languages. Okay, so now bye bye.